Hey, and welcome to the Shave Tank blooming bonus video. Now, I already had a blooming video where I said putting water on your soap for a longer time is not good, and I still stand. And then I made a video where I said, yeah, soap temperature does matter, but for me, for example, I don't warm up the soap. I warm up this mug where I build my ladder in, load the brush on the cold soap, and then build the ladder in the warm mug. And this brings out the fragrance absolutely excellent. No additional warming needed. But to complete this experiment, you know, I'm an experimenting guy. I took this tin can and put the soap in there. Then, there is the soap in there. Then, I actually did this 2 weeks ago when I made the video of the temperature stuff. Then I put water in there, up here, so the soap was underwater. And let it be for like 15 minutes. Don't nail me on the exact minutes, it was 15, 16, 17, something around there. Then I poured out the water, really put it out, put this back in, and close the lid tightly. So this tin can, it's probably not completely airtight because there is no rubber seal in it or so, but I left it like that. And 2 weeks later now, we are going to open this. And I put the soap in there, the Kalani Malabar, which is a very strong scented soap. So if it goes to scent strength, I would give it an 8 out of 10. So it's a really strong smelling soap and it has a very, very distinctive smell. And thankfully I have a second pack, because if this is wasted, I won't have to go without. So let's open this up. Okay, this is not good. I mean, there is still some smell, but it doesn't smell like the soap. I know this scent very well because it's one of my favorite soaps and I always have it at home. As I said, I have a second pack of this and I will need it. This smells like crap. And it also looks very funky. There is white goo on there. Doesn't feel nice. I'm going to put the back out here. Yeah, and also on the around this, there is some gooey stuff in there. Okay. Yeah, not good. This has to go. This is, yeah, probably 5 packs of soap that was still left in this pack. Yeah. For scientific purposes, I'm donating this 5 packs because this soap is done for. And what does this tell us? If you do put water on your soap, I would highly recommend leave the soap, clean out the pack or the can or wherever you put the soap into, and really let the soap air dry for at least 24 hours and then close it up. But don't leave it wet like I did. It's really gooey and the smell will dissipate and, like in this case, transform in something very... I still have this in my nose. I have to clear my nose something. Yeah. Bay rum. Yeah, that clears the nose. Very good. Okay. Smell is out of my nose. Perfect. Yeah. So don't try this at home. Don't do this to your soap. You will regret it because it's gone. Done. Hasta la vista. Yeah. That's that. So I can only recommend, do not leave your soaps wet. Not a good idea. So, and that's for now the last part about the whole blooming and putting water in soaps and whatever stuff. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments or send me a PM and I will answer them in one of my next videos. Thanks for watching. Let's all high five and see you next time.